Hello everybody, Dominoes 7 here. Some of you already know. Alright, I want to ask a question to y'all, okay? Today, James Holzhauer is back on Jeopardy, okay? As some of you already know, okay? So, I want to ask a question to my fans, viewers, or whatever y'all do, or whatever y'all are, I meant to say. Today, James Holzhauer is going for his 23rd win on Jeopardy. Will he win his 23rd game today? Watch the show, okay? I forgot to watch The Price is Right earlier, you know. So, I don't know if I watch Wheel of Fortune, though, okay? Sometimes I watch Let's Make a Deal, you know. Alright, so I want to know, will James Holzhauer win his 23rd game today and make more money? Watch the show, okay? Alright.